thought maybe we go fishing.
I'm gonna feel this tomorrow.
Oh, you do? Are you a ballerina? Oh my goodness. Why does this look so good?
Doesn't it?
Are you on a date with me?
Yep.
He said he doesn't know how he did it. I know how you did it. Should we cheers? I got a mimosa. I've never tried a mimosa. I like it. I'm trying to convince him to go hiking with me. And what are you saying?
No.
He did too. He did say it like you didn't even sugarcoat it.
All right.
What are we planning to do with these guys?
You know, put out a fire.
I like how our date is brought us to looking at barbecues.
Yeah, we need a barbecue.
And we bought fire extinguishers. We're gonna go and get some flowers.
Sure will.
You're crushing it, Dave. We ended up on a rowboat right now. Yeah, we're just rowing. Did our date take a turn? You're paddling. Oh my gosh, okay, we're getting some good speed. I am taking the easy way out. I am the passenger princess. So we brought our fishing gear and we thought maybe we go fishing. I'm like this will be relaxing.
I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. Let me tell you.
Trying to figure out the dynamics of our umbrella. I got myself a King Kong. Strawberry.
Put it down like that.
Ooh, what?
And then I can.
Babe, this is so nice. He's gonna go get the clinking. We gotta be really careful navigating. It's a little rocky. Got our worms.
Tackle box.
Tackle box. Cute butt.
Cute butt. Check. Cute butt check.
We got the umbrella up. We're in a little pocket where there's a lot of weeds. So we're gonna see how this goes. Our fish number to beat is 4 because we caught 4 last time. Well, actually, he caught 4. Mine is 1.
Nice.
Hey. Now the girls are gonna see photos of this, babe, and they're gonna be like,
You went fishing without us?
"You went fishing without us?" I am determined to get just so we can show the girls and be like, "Mommy catches fish too." Well, this is great. These seats could be a little comfier. Not gonna lie, to people who make rowboats. We got fishies following us. His worm is gone. The new nails, by the way, these are gonna be my lucky nails. Oh, I was like, I'm gonna try and do this and I'm probably gonna throw my phone in the water instead of the line. Oh my God. I didn't have serenading on a rowboat on my bucket list 2024, but I'm here for it, man. Oh my God.
This is not easy.
This is very difficult. I got a little splattered, but you're not having fun if you're not getting messy. What's that from? Is that the Magic School Bus? Whoa, is that gonna be us next weekend?
I don't think so.
I am loving my little makeshift tent over here. I am having a technical issue with my bobber, and that's what we're gonna say if I catch no fish, that it could have been a bobber mishap. I was just saying, we are slowly turning into like a super Canadian outdoorsy channel. We don't know how. This is not normally us, but we are having fun exploring. What? I caught a little baby one.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Good job, gorgeous.
That is correct. I caught one fish. Only because I lost my sinker, my bobber, my hook, everything, and he's fixing my fishing pole, and I'm using his fishing pole, and I just happened to catch a fish. It's a baby one. So we're gonna take it off. We're gonna let it back in. I'm just leaving him in the water right now because he's fixing my pole.
Oh, poor little guy.
He's just a little guy. I'm gonna put him back. Okay, this is little BB Rainbow. Buddy. Bye, buddy. Off he goes. Now that I've caught my fish, I have to put my own worm on. This time, right? Oh, he's all slimy. That's not gonna work, is it? So the worms feel no pain, eh? Okay. Check this out. I fish.
You got one? What do you got?
Stronger though.
What? Oh, look at the size of that guy.
Holy moly!
Whoa, babe. It's a catfish.
Oh my gosh, he's huge!
Come on.
This is not a drill anymore. This
Oh
is literal
my.
fishing.
Look at you. That's a real fish.
What?
Babe, congratulations. That's amazing. Look at you. Good job.
Okay. This is huge. This is our third. I got worm juice under my princess nails. Feels like the princess nails were lucky for me. And this is epic. We are a fishing channel, officially.
Here we go. Let's go back in.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Got her.
Goodbye, Caddy. Wait. Oh my gosh. We hit our record. We hit 4. You know, MB would say that's Daddy's airplane, right? Oh my god. Whoa, that's a big one. You literally caught the mama sunfish. Do you think we could do this again sometime?
Find a motor.
I'm going to say, of course, you're my wife.
Oh.
Not as relaxing for both of us as I imagine. Where do you girls think Mommy and Daddy went? We went fishing. Guess how many fish we caught?
What? Wait.
We got 4.
I said 4.
You want to come with us?
Yeah. Did you eat the fish?
I did. I missed my little ladies. No, we put the little fish back in the pond. But guess what, girls? We fished on a boat. We went on a rowboat. Daddy rowed us out into the pond, and then we fished in the boat.
What?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
But anytime we do any activity, and if the girls don't come with us, Scarlett always goes, "You got pictures?" She needs to see. Yeah. Do you girls want to see some more pictures?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
There's 2.
Whoa. Do you girls want to get a kayak?
Yeah, a kayak.
Who's gonna row it?
Me. And you. And then Mommy, and you say who's gonna drive it?
Who's gonna drive it?
Me.
There are little paddles that go on each side, and you go like this. Vroom, 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 vroom. Do you want me to show you a video of kayakers?
Yeah.
Okay. Funny story though, I've never been kayaking. I'd like to go though. Do you want to go?
I see poopy. I see poopy.
Hey, Tuxie cutie butt. You want to go outside? Let's let Tuxie out. Let's get Scarchar a banana. Scarlett, how's your afternoon then? Look at your beautiful braids that Daddy did. Oh, I don't know about this. These look rather green. I don't know if these are good. Oh, you're going for it. Well, that actually is more of a yellow one. I think we gotta choose a different fruit. These aren't ripe yet. We gotta let them ripen up. Are you gonna go to the fridge? Well, today is Sunday, and I think we're just gonna chill and relax and prep for the week by relaxing. Whoa. Scarlett's good. Did you get a pouch? How about I grab that for you? Scarlett really enjoys the squoosh. What do you think of my nails?
What's it pink?
Which one's your favorite?
This one.
Okay. This one. Crimson. You're so cute.
Mommy, I have to go down here.
Okay, just to the bottom of the stairs. That's it. Yeah. There you go. Where do you want to go?
I want to go on the boat.
Oh, you do? Let's check it out. Does Miri like boats?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, she
Hi.
Crimson.
Can you come next to Dada?
Rocks and flowers. Check it out.
That boat, honey. Happy?
A little baby.
A little baby flower.
Hold it for me.
Of course.
These are for tomorrow.
Okay.
And these are for tomorrow.
Okay.
Mommy, maybe this is Sesame Street.
This is Sesame Street? How come? Who do you hear?
I hear Elmo.
Hey.
Can you see it? Emmy, you're gonna miss it. Come up.
Come on,
Come up so you can see the kayak. There's not even waves today. Like, this is nuts. It's so peaceful. Whoa! I was like, where did that even go? Yeah, so we're back at it. We're on a canoe this time, and it's a pretty good time. It is a little wibbly wobbly, but we're figuring it out. But I was telling my sister that we're slowly turning into a Canadian nature channel, and I would say that's pretty accurate at this point, because why are we on a canoe fishing again? There wasn't, look, he ate half our worm! Oh my gosh. Your princess nails are like the perfect touch for this. Well, I'm laughing so much I'm rocking our canoe. Gosh. All right, you guys, so I decided to bring my sis out because we've never done this together. I think the only thing we've ever done is like paddle boarding, and we're out on the little canoe. This was quite an adventure. It's a lot. Oh, he's totally eating the worm. Okay, we're getting a lot of nibbles, but no luck yet. Again, we've only been out here like 10 minutes, but let's try with that little stub of a worm. And I am the worm loader today, princess nails and all, and we are determined to catch at least, what's the goal? 1 fish? It's the goal is 1. It's a pretty good time. I spent the whole morning editing, so it's really nice to be out in nature on our nature channel. There's people at the beach today, and it's just like, this weather is so few and far between. Like, you have to take it when it's a nice day. And this is even less wavy than when hubby and I came out. It is just like glass. Like, there's no waves at all. Probably scaring all the fish away. But the canoe is a little tipsy, isn't it? Like, you don't want to make any sudden movements on this thing. It's kind of crazy. The only thing I'm wondering, I know how to put the worm on. I'm just realizing I don't know how to take the fish off of it. So we'll figure that out. Davor's like, anything you don't know how to do when you're out there, just Google it. And I'm like, okay. There's literally a seagull behind you. Oh my gosh, did you get? No way. Oh wow, we caught some greenery. This is still exciting. This is wait. Oh my god. Did you catch that? Oh my gosh. We were just saying, like, now we don't know how to take him off. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So who caught this guy? You just threw it in. That's what makes no sense. Okay, I guess we're gonna figure out how to get him off. You're like a boss. Okay, goodbye, little fishy goo. There we go. We did it! Whoa. Oh my god. We got another one. This is huge. You're just like the fish master, princess of the lake. Whoa, you did it! We're just out canoeing. Why is this so much fun? Oh my god. I like how you're just taking me on a ride here. I'm like, this is so picturesque. You gotta both be putting in the canoe effort though. I am putting in minimal effort currently. I am about to row. You want to be little Cinderella too? Okay.
And I'm gonna put this.
Oh, wow.
Mommy, put my dress on.
Of course. Guess what Mommy got? Something came in the mail for you today.
What is
It's something to help you learn how to read, how to do your numbers, and how to do math.
What is it?
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do a magical spell?
Yeah.
Is today beach day?
Yeah.
Are you a ballerina? Oh my goodness! How do you girls know how to do ballet? Do you girls want to take dance class? You do? Wow. Did you know Mommy was a ballerina?
What?
Did you know that?
There's a picture.
I do. I probably have some pictures somewhere. Would you girls like to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Scarlett, what's Daddy's name?
It's called Davor.
Can you see? Can
you
you
see
see it like
Davor?
that?
Can you say Davor? Davor.
Who did that ponytail for Emby?
Daddy.
Really? Emby needs her saka-laka. Wow! What's this? Who wants to go to the beach?
Me.
You ready?
Not this one, this one. This
Girls,
one,
what's
this
this?
one.
Mommy's got veins in her forehead. Those always
Mommy,
seem...
finish one.
Okay. Ooh,
Mommy, why do you go beef in your body?
I don't know. Would you girls like Paw Patrol drinks?
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah.
I want to go?
Let's do this. Girls, look at our cute snack bag.
So now we are gonna all match. We are gonna match Paw Patrol drinks. Mommy, do you like it?
I think we drank that one already. You girls love these, don't you?
I have a red one. We match! And Ambi does.
How did Sweetie Baby get with me? Someone's been putting chapstick on Sweetie Baby. My freckles are crazy. Are you? Do you girls like Mommy's blonde hair? Is it a bit steep? Where are we going? In the water. Okay. Hey. You want to splash? Look at Chloe.
Good job.
Should we go get popsicles? We worked up quite an appetite, so we're gonna go get some goodies from the food truck. Is my whole family sitting there without me?
Yeah.
Is that for me? Okay. Thank you. They made room for Mama.
Yeah.
Now they are a family.
Guess what I just got from the food truck? Chili cheese jalapeno dog. And what did you girlies get?
Popsicles. I get an orange popsicle.
Orange
And
popsicle?
I got an orange popsicle.
And what did you get, Emily?
I get an orange popsicle.
Are you girls all match?
Yeah.
That's pretty fun. What did Daddy get?
Diet Coke.
Crispy Diet Coke.
Okay.
Diet
You
Coke.
should be in marketing.
You want to see by beach?
It's a roof on the hat.
There's room for a hat?
A house on a hat.
There's a house on your hat?
A house on a house.
I adore you. I adore you. You hear me?
And we just want to say thank you for hanging out with us. You guys want to say bye?
Bye.